Hello everyone, and I'm Aradhya Gupta, and today I made diyas. So I made these diyas and I painted and decorated them, and all these diyas have different combinations on each one of them. So because I made them with lot of decorations like little sequins like these, and paints, glitters, and other things. So these are some diyas, and these diyas are like decorated with lot of sequins and other accessories. So happy Diwali and bye.
Happy Diwali! And we have made this lovely rangoli with all the handmade painted diyas with different color combinations and sequences, and then the flowers and the beautiful colors of rangoli. Just have a look and enjoy. This was our way of celebrating the Diwali today, and we really enjoyed it. Happy Diwali!
I'm Dr. Surekha Naik. I'm working for LIC, and also I have a YouTube channel. Name is Art of Words with Dr. Surekha Naik. I am having so many hobbies, including gardening. Gardening is my childhood dream. Since my childhood, I was dreaming about having a compact small garden, and this is my small garden. I love gardening.
Hey everyone, my name is Chetna. I love making DIY crafts and DIY stuffs. So here I would like to show you some stuffs that I've made in this lockdown. The first thing that I've made is a structure out of POP. For the paint, I have used glass paint so that it will have a glossy and shiny appearance. After the paint got all dried, I've used a layer of acetone on it. The next thing here is I've decorated a sauce bottle using rice and 5 different basic colors. Next up here is a Tweety mold that I've again made using POP, using a Tweety mold. Here I've painted a simple juice bottle so that it will have an attractive look. Next up here is a vase that I've made using balloon and then stuck newspaper on it. For decoration on the vase, I've used coconut shell, and for the leaves, these are called as the snake leaves, I've used office files and then painted it. Last but not the least, I've made a sculpture that is from the medieval age using newspaper, using chart paper, using old pencils.
ये पूजा है चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट जो इन सब दियों को इतना कलरफुल सजा रही है, कितने सुंदर तरीके से ये कर रही है। और वही है कि लड़कियों को शौक़ होता है ये सब आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट करने का और ये सब पेंटिंग, ये सब चीज़ें करने का। सो शी इज़ लविंग। हाय पूजा। तुम कौन सी क्लास में हो?
मैं 10th क्लास में हूँ।
और तुम्हें ये सब शौक़ हमेशा से है? तुम कितने सुंदर कर रही हो पेंट। अभी क्योंकि क्लासेस ऑनलाइन चल रही हैं बच्चों की, तो शी हैड टाइम टू डू एंड शी इज़ लविंग दिस। देखिए कितने सुंदर सुंदर कलर्स इसने किए हैं। यू ऑल विल लव दीज कलर्स। थैंक यू सो मच पूजा।
Many people do gardening based on their hobbies and their love for plants. Whatever it is, gardening is no doubt a very accurate and beautiful skill. So, based on it, I want to show you my some garden stones.
that I have made by being inspired from my mommy. Here comes the owl, a ladybug, full pot from Toverland POP from my new plant. And then, just to give it a final look, I have painted its edges with golden color. Art has been a part of our lives for as long as humanity has existed. For thousands of years, people have been creating, looking at, criticizing, and enjoying art. Today, I would like to show you some of my creations that I have learned and made in this lockdown. First come these beautiful glass bottles. I have painted the first one like a mandala art pattern. A minion one, a naturistic bottle. On this bottle I have done a heart pattern design. Also made these Santa Claus and snowman jars, glass jars for Christmas theme. We can keep toffees in it or another sweeties to serve. It would look very beautiful. This is snowman and this is Santa Claus. I made two beautiful lanterns. It would look more pretty in dark. See,
These things are required to make a diya. So now let's begin. So take an diya and your acrylic white paint and take a sponge and put it and color it only with sponge. And take something to keep that your float didn't be dirty. So we are covering. So let it be colored and dry. So then we will go with a new thing. So what now we want to do is just color it and dry. And now you want to do second coat. We are doing now second coat. So that's done. So take your tissue, which I have sent you in the required things. See, this is your tissue and cut it like this with your brush and water. So you want to cut it, but not with the scissors. You want to take a layer of it in the tissue paper and paste it there. So now we will take out this layer. This way we would. Now to fix it, we will use hodgepodge. Basically, it's a very good Fevicol to use to stick the tissues. So now you can see how it's sticking. And a very dry brush, and we will first stuck it on the Fevicol. You can dry brush and the Fevicol. Make sure that the dry brush should be not a single of wet. So now you want to give one coat of the dry brush, and then hodgepodge you want to put on the upper flower which are done. We want to make sure you have a varnish one. So if you will put the oil in your diya, so it will not be bad or dirty. So after varnish, you can decorate it in your style. In this way, you want to also decorate with stickers, all your buttons, all your stems here. So I am showing you the hodgepodge glue, and that is a very nice glue that can stick your tissue in anything. So I am showing you. Have seen? Okay. So and see, I am telling you. See, this is your hodgepodge. You can buy from Amazon, from anywhere. So and it can fix anything like your VR tissues. It alarms. It can be and use stems to decorate, stones decorate, stickers, buttons, wish upon. So now